Okay, my video got cut off. What we're at is we were saying, oh goodness. Okay. What we were saying is if you have two powers that have the same base, you just simply add their exponents. Oh boy. Let's turn it this way. I'm sorry. The computer died. Okay. So let's try some examples. Example 2, we're going to multiply these two things together. 6 times 2 is 12, n to the third, n to the seventh. They have the same base. You add your exponents. It's n to the 3 plus 7. Did I have to write that? Absolutely not. But I'm just showing you what I would be doing in my head if I wrote this as the answer. So you're more than welcome to write from here to here. Okay, the next one, 3 times, 1 is 3. P to the first, I make every variable have an exponent. P to the first, P to the third is P to the fourth, because we're adding our exponents. And T to the third and T to the fourth is T to the seventh. You can show the addition, or you can simply write it as is. Okay, I want you to pause the video and try 2A and 2B. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21. I have 4 y's. I have 5 y's, which makes 9. I have 6 r's because there's one right here. A negative times a negative is a positive. X to the 2, 3, 4, t to the 1, 2, 3, 4. I make sure to have a 1 so that everything has a exponent so it doesn't get confusing. Okay, what if we have a power raised to a power? So 3 raised to a 5. That's the same thing as saying b to the third times b to the third, b to the third multiplied by b to the third multiplied by b to the third, which 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So if I were to add them all, that would be 15. Or what I could have done is just said b to the 3 times 5, which equals 15. So if I have a power to a power, I multiply. Another situation is the power of a product. So if there's more than just one little base here, you have a multiple, you do the same thing again and just multiply the exponents. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. It's just a little more complicated. 2 times 9 is 18. And 1 times 2 is 2. When I simplify, I get 16, a to the 8th, b to the 18th, and c squared. Oops, can't you see it? Okay, so now let's thoroughly discuss those. Okay, we're going to thoroughly discuss them. So for any real number a and any integers m and p, if I have a to the m all raised to the p, then I have a to the mp. In mathematics, we don't use numbers because numbers are specific examples when we're discussing a definition or a theorem, because we're saying that these letters represent any number. Okay, so say we have to find the power of a power. We just did this. We have multiplication, 3 times 5, which would be b to the 15th. Okay, that's a reminder. If I have a power of a product, I'm taking the power of this whole product. They're a product because they're things being multiplied together. If you have any real numbers a and b and any integer m, if we have a b to the m, that's the same thing as saying a to the m, b to the m. Okay, so just like before, we already did this. We had 4 to the second, a to the 8th, b to the 18th, and let's make a 1 here. C to the second, which simplifies to a 16a to the 8th, b to the 18th, and c squared. Okay, always feel free to pause the video and rewind if this is going a little too fast for your comfort. I want you to pause the video and I want you to try a and b and then come back. 3 to the second to the second to the second is 3 to the 2 times 2 times 2, oh goodness, 3 to the 8th. And then you simplify whatever 3 to the 8th is. I'm going to hurry up before kids get here. This is 3 negative 3 to the 4th, p to the 20th, and t to the 24th. Be careful. This is negative 3 to the 4th, so it's going to become a positive 81, p to the 20th, t to the 24th. Okay, and we're going to put it all together now with 3xy to the 4th. There's nothing here, and I can't multiply it yet until I free up this guy. This is negative 2y raised to the 6th. Well, I got to keep simplifying. So this is 3xy to the 4th times, this is negative 2 to the 6th, y to the 6th. Okay, now we multiply them together. I have children looking in my window. They'll probably see this on the video. The same kids are watching this. And I will make a part 3 for tomorrow.